Hi, let's practice some real English conversations together. Today, we'll cover a few useful situations you can really use.
Hi, can I get an iced latte, please?
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. Not too sweet.
Got it. Do you want whole milk or oat milk?
Oat milk, please.
Great. Anything else?
Nope, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait at the pickup counter.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the restroom is?
Sure. It's in the back of the shop, just past the kitchen on the right.
Oh, thank you so much. I was trying to find it, but didn't see any sign.
Yeah, the sign is a bit small, but no worries. Just go straight and you'll see it.
Got it. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Good afternoon. Let me know if you need any help.
Hi, I'm just looking for a bottle of water.
You'll find bottled water in the back next to the soft drinks.
Great, thanks. I'll take this one. How much is it?
That one's $1.20.
Here you go. Do you accept cards?
Yes, we do. You can tap right here.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Hey, have you watched Squid Game?
Not yet. Is it good?
It's so intense. I couldn't stop watching.
Wow, I need to check it out tonight.
Let me know what you think. Have you seen Squid Game Season 3 yet?
Yes, I watched the first episode yesterday. It's really intense.
I know, right? The challenges are getting harder.
I'm excited to see what happens next.
Me too. Let's talk more about it next time. Did you finish Squid Game Season 3 yet?
Yes, I watched the whole thing last night.
No way. What did you think?
It was crazy. I didn't expect that ending.
Same here. I was like, what just happened?
That show always keeps us guessing.
Hey, are you free this afternoon?
Yeah, I think so. Why?
Want to grab lunch together?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
How about that new Thai place near the mall?
Sounds good. I've been wanting to try it.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right over.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Would you like to pay here or at the counter?
Here is fine. I'll pay with my card.
All set. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks.
Oh my gosh, Jenny? Is that really you?
Anna! Wow, it's been so long. I can't believe it. How have you been? I've been good, just busy with work. And you?
Same here. We really need to catch up sometime.
Definitely. Let's grab coffee soon.
Excuse me, can I take a picture with you?
Sure, let's take one.
Really? I love your outfit.
Thanks, you're so kind.
Hey, you look amazing today.
Aw, thank you. That means a lot.
Did you do something new with your hair?
Yeah, I just got it cut yesterday.
Hi, it's such a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, the weather is perfect.
Are you heading to work?
Yeah, just the usual Monday routine. You?
I'm meeting a friend for coffee. Gotta enjoy the sunshine.
Would you like a bag for that?
No, thank you. I'm good.
All right, just let me know if you need anything.
Will do. Thanks.
Would you like some more?
No thanks. I've had enough.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm stuffed. It was so good.
Glad you liked it.
Hey, how are you?
I'm boring.
You mean you're bored?
Oh, yeah, I'm bored. Nothing to do today.
Don't call yourself boring. You're not.
Hi, can I get a caramel macchiato, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Iced, please. And can I have extra caramel on top?
Absolutely. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your drink will be ready soon.
Excuse me, I think I might be at the wrong gate. Could you please help me?
Of course. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Your gate has changed to gate 26, just down the hall to your right.
Got it. Thank you very much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Excuse me, do you have any desserts?
Yes, we do. Would you like to see our dessert menu?
Sure, thank you.
We have chocolate cake, cheesecake, and vanilla ice cream.
I'll go with the cheesecake. That sounds delicious.
Excellent choice. Would you like any drinks with that?
Just water, please. That's all for now.
Got it. I'll bring it right over.
Great job! You just practiced real conversations you can use every day. If you liked this video, subscribe and check out more on our channel. See you next time!